Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be the most powerful and refined foldable phone of 2026. With its official unveiling expected at the July 2026 Galaxy Unpacked event in London, Samsung is preparing to launch not just one, but three next-generation foldable smartphones: the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and a brand new model rumored to be called the Fold Wide. This launch could redefine the foldable smartphone market once again, and firmly position Samsung ahead of rising competition, including Apple's rumored foldable iPhone. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, its expected specs, features, release date, and how it could dominate the premium smartphone segment in 2026. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 release date and launch. Event. According to multiple reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will debut around July 22, 2026, during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in London. Hosting the event in a major global city highlights Samsung's international ambitions and its focus on capturing attention worldwide. Samsung may begin teasing the Galaxy Z Fold 8 weeks before the official event to build hype and maximize pre-orders. If previous launch patterns are followed, the device should hit retail shelves within a few weeks after announcement, ensuring a smooth transition from reveal to availability. This aggressive launch strategy allows Samsung to maintain its leadership in the foldable phone market before competitors can respond. 3 foldables. One clear strategy: Samsung's 2026 foldable lineup is designed to target 3 different types of users. Galaxy Z Fold 8, a productivity-focused, book-style foldable built for professionals and multitaskers. Galaxy Z Flip 8, a compact clamshell foldable for style-conscious users who want portability without sacrificing power. Fold Wide, a new wider foldable with a tablet-like 4:3 aspect ratio for immersive media, gaming, and creative work. By offering multiple form factors, Samsung ensures that it covers every segment of the foldable market. Whether you want a business powerhouse, a fashion-forward device, or a tablet replacement, Samsung aims to have a foldable built specifically for you. Galaxy Z Fold 8 design: slimmer, lighter, more refined, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to push design boundaries even further. Early leaks suggest an ultra-slim 4.5mm thickness when unfolded, making it one of the thinnest foldable phones ever produced. Samsung is reportedly refining its hinge mechanism for improved durability and a less visible crease. The tall, narrow outer display design is expected to remain, improving one-handed usability while maintaining a large internal workspace. With Samsung continuously improving foldable durability, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could finally convince hesitant users that foldables are ready for mainstream adoption. S Pen returns to the Galaxy Z Fold. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is the return of S Pen support. But with a major upgrade, Samsung is reportedly redesigning the S Pen system to remove the traditional digitizer layer, allowing the device to stay thin while still supporting precise stylus input. This innovation could make the Galaxy Z Fold 8 the ultimate productivity smartphone. Imagine taking handwritten notes on an 8-inch foldable display, editing documents, sketching designs, or signing contracts on the go, all without compromising portability. For professionals, students, and creatives, this feature alone could make the Galaxy Z Fold 8 the best foldable phone of 2026. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 specifications and hardware upgrades. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to deliver flagship-level performance across every category. Display: the 4E device will likely feature a 6.5-inch cover display and an expansive 8-inch internal foldable display. This larger inner screen offers a tablet-like experience perfect for multitasking, split-screen apps, video editing, gaming, and media consumption. Processor powering the device could be the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, built for maximum performance and energy efficiency. This processor should deliver faster AI processing, smoother gaming, and enhanced multitasking capabilities. RAM and storage leaks suggest up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options reaching 1 TB. That means seamless multitasking, heavy app usage, and massive storage capacity for photos, videos, and professional files. Battery and charging: a 5000 mAh battery is rumored, paired with 45W wired fast charging. This combination should provide all-day usage and rapid top-ups when needed. Camera system: Samsung is expected to equip the Galaxy Z Fold 8 with a powerful triple-camera setup, 200MP main camera for ultra-detailed photography, 50MP ultra-wide lens. For expansive shots, 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This camera configuration positions the Galaxy Z Fold 8 among the top camera phones of 2026, capable of professional-level photography and high-resolution video recording. Fold wide. Samsung's answer to the future. The biggest surprise in Samsung's 2026 lineup could be the Fold wide. This new foldable model is rumored to feature a wider 4.3 aspect ratio, offering a more tablet-like experience. This design would be ideal for multitasking, reading, streaming, gaming, and content creation. It could also serve as a strategic response to Apple's rumored foldable iPhone, which is expected to adopt a wider display format. By launching the Fold wide ahead of Apple's foldable debut, Samsung reinforces its position as the true pioneer of foldable innovation. Galaxy Z Flip 8. Compact power. While the Galaxy Z Fold 8 focuses on productivity, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is expected to continue Samsung's success in the compact foldable segment. Expect improved durability, upgraded cameras, stronger performance, and possibly a larger outer display for better usability. The Flip series remains ideal for users who want a stylish, pocket-friendly foldable without sacrificing flagship performance. Samsung versus Apple. The foldable battle begins with Apple rumored to be entering the foldable market soon. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8 launch is more important than ever. Samsung already has years of foldable experience, refined hinge technology, and a loyal user base. By launching 3 foldable devices in 2026, Samsung isn't just competing, it's expanding the entire category. The return of the S Pen, the introduction of the Fold wide, and major hardware upgrades all signal that Samsung is not slowing down. Why the Galaxy Z Fold 8 matters. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another smartphone upgrade. It represents the next stage in foldable evolution. Thinner design, stronger durability, better cameras, enhanced multitasking, and improved productivity features. For professionals, it could replace both a smartphone and a tablet. For creatives, it offers a portable digital canvas. For tech enthusiasts, it delivers cutting-edge innovation. As the foldable smartphone market grows in 2026, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and Fold wide lineup could define the future of mobile computing. If the leaks are accurate, July 2026 may mark the beginning of the most competitive and exciting era in foldable smartphone history.